Hiya, thank you for joining me today. I'm Kay from Papercraft Skies and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. Today we're going to be making this card. A lot of birthdays at the moment, so a lot of birthday cards getting made. And this one, we're going to be using two stamp sets. We're going to be using the painted poppies, and we're going to be using this image, and the little paint splatter. And the peaceful moments, we're taking the sentiment, the happy birthday from that one. And I'll show you how we put it together. So for your base layer, this is going to measure 9 by 13.25 centimetres. And we're going to stamp the flowers in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And we're just going to randomly stamp all over the page, just sort of twisting and turning, no sort of rhyme or reason, just stamp all over just to make the pattern. So it's just going to be a random sort of, and don't worry about going off the edge. So it's that one, and then with that, a little ink splatter stamp. With the little ink splattery one, we're going to get some Poppy Parade ink, and we're just going to sort of in the gaps just sort of put a dash of red in it. And you can stamp off as well if you know, sort of getting lighter and darker splats as you go, just filling in the bits of white space and turning it as well. Some of this will be covered up anyway, so you've just got all your layer covered. Get that out of the way. So that's that one. That's for your first layer. Then you're going to need a piece of Whisper White again, and this one is going to measure 2 1/4 by 3 1/2. And on this one, we're just going to stamp the single sort of stem image on it, again in Memento Black ink, because we're going to colour this one in a second. So you can have it however you want it, off to the side, or I've just done mine just there. That's that one. And then I just want to colour in the sort of petal part of this one. So to match it with the base, I'm just going to grab some more Poppy Parade, and I'm just going to get a clear block, and I'm just going to put a bit of ink just onto the edge. And with that, I'm just going to get my blender pen, make sure it's clean, and then I'm just going to pick up a little ink from the block, and then I'm just going to colour in just the petals on this one. And then you don't need a lot, to be honest, at all. It does go a long way. And that is that one done. Then for the sentiment, the happy birthday, I'm going to put this on the bottom corner. Again, it's a black and red theme for this one, so Memento Tuxedo Black ink again. That's going to go just in the bottom right corner. That's that one. So we've got our 2 stamped covered ink, 2 stamped images. See if I can find a cloth, because otherwise that black ink is going to go everywhere. So we've got our 2 stamp pieces. So for the smaller one, you're going to Poppy Parade. You're going to need a piece that measures 2 1/2 by 3 3/4. And for that one, I'm going to put that on dimensionals to go onto this one. So just get that one backed onto there. One, two, that's that one, and then that's just going to go just so you've got the same amount of room all the way around. It's gone skew a bit skew if you want, but I want it straight on this one. Well, as straight as I can get it. So that's that one. And then for this one, another layer of Poppy Parade, and this one measures 10 by 14.25 centimetres, and this is going to go just straight on flat. I'm not going to put any dimension to this one. That's just going to go flat onto there. Again, border all the way around it. That's that one. And then we're going to stick this piece onto here, again flat. You can put it wherever you want it. I've put it in the bottom left hand corner. It's up to you. You can have it in the middle, down the side, wherever. But I'm just going to put it, I'm just going to put mine there. That's that one. And then to sort of give it a little bit of bling, I've just got some metallic pearls in gold, and I'm just going to put just 3 on the front, just randomly, because I do like to do that a lot. That's that one. And then a card base, Whisper White card base. I use a thick Whisper White for card bases, just makes the cards feel a bit more sturdy, I find, rather than, you can use a Whisper White normal, but I prefer to use the thick one, just because it is thicker for bases anyway. So that is going to go directly onto the card base. Oh, camera wobble, I'm so sorry. I was doing so well. I think I've managed to do one video without hitting the camera so far. I'm getting there, I'm practicing. And then that's going to go onto your card base. And that is your finished card. Very quick, very simple, and I think it looks pretty. So that is my happy birthday Poppy card. Thanks for popping in today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!